Going on, Lunatic holders? It's your boy Crypto Flex, the Usher of Crypto. Yeah, man. CZ is back. We know CZ is back. I love that CZ is back, and he's right back at the right time. Did y'all peep that out? That CZ is back for October. October, if anybody doesn't know about what October brings, it brings a lot of money coming into the market. Usually, October in crypto is a huge month. It means a lot of the bigger money has came off of vacations and they're investing into their favorite assets, memes, altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. They're investing in everything. So October, which to me was the most memorable October, which was October of 2021, when we seen Shiba Inu go to a $50 billion market cap in October, flipping Dogecoin, which people said that could never be done. And speaking of things that people say that can never be done, is Terra Luna Classic getting back to its glory days, which is definitely something I would love to see for this project. I know it's been a long, long wait. Terra Luna Classic is going to me for sure hit a penny. But with CZ back in action, with CZ back getting Binance to do these huge burns, which shout out to Richard Tang and Binance for continuing the burns when CZ was absent from Binance. But I think CZ is going to be very instrumental in bringing Terra Luna Classic back to its glory days. I'm not talking about $119. I would love to see Terra Luna Classic at $1, $5, $10. I would love to see it at those prices, but first we have to get to a penny. I'm going to dive in some huge news for you folks, some massive news for Terra Luna Classic holders. But if you are new to this channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bells to get alert on your device when I post more videos like this one. Like and share this video on all your social medias, as well as follow your boy Crypto Flex, the Usher Crypto, on Twitter. My link is going to be in my description below. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Terra Luna Classic. If you're bullish on Terra Luna Classic, if you believe Terra Luna Classic is going to hit $1, what's your price prediction for 2025 and in years to come? Leave it all in the comment section. It's very imperative that you do that. This gets this video in the YouTube algorithm. That gets people that have been sleeping underneath a rock to know that Terra Luna Classic is here and is definitely going to be a financial freedom play in crypto when we get a bull run peak. We're in a bull run now, but the peak of the bull run hasn't even started yet. As you'll know it when you see everything green, everything in your portfolio 10x, 100x. That's when you'll see that. Like I'm referencing back to October 2021, and it was just like that in October 2021. Everything was green. So, but last but not least, none of this information is financial advice. Do your own research. Okay, so before I dive into some of the big news I want to talk about, I want to get into some of the stuff that I've seen on that was tweeted out. And first and foremost, if you haven't taken your Wrap Luna, if you have Wrap Terra Luna Classic, you need to access this shuttle bridge here. The bankruptcy for Terraform Labs, which was September 30th, just started. So we have another month to bridge our Terra Luna Classic over. If it's wrapped Luna, you want to bridge it here. Bridge it here. I will put this link in my description below. You want to go here and then bridge it over to the wrap Luna to regular Terra Classic. You want to do that because if you don't do that by October 30th, you're going to lose all of your Terra Luna Classic. They're going to burn all of that Terra Luna Classic that's wrapped. So do that, be secure, and let's keep holding. Let's keep on um, wishing and hoping for that 1 cent dream, for that dollar price action, and that $5 price and beyond. But first and foremost, take care of yourself and do that. Second thing I want to talk about is uh, Terraform Labs continues with the progress with the third party discussions to take over operations of some of the products and services. So the Terra the Luna Classic community had put this out. So they have products out there right now, and we can see some of the products here in this list, which is one of the most important is this station here, and that's the station wallet. So, however, in some cases that they are not successful in taking over those products, we'll be shutting down those products October 30th, 2024. So those products include the Enterprise, the Warp, Station, at the Station Wallet, uh, Alliance Hub, and the services Finder and Block Explorer, Foundation, IBC Relayers, Mantle Mint FCD, and API services. So if things don't go according to plan, those products will be gone. Those products will be gone. So if you are involved in any of those in any of those products, those will be gone if things don't go according to plan. But Terra Luna Classic is definitely going to be a huge play. And a lot of people, I'm going to share a couple articles with you. So I came across this article talking about the best cryptocurrencies to invest in right now, which is October 2nd. So the best cryptos, and let's look down on the list. Let's see. Number one is Arkham. So Arkham's number one. Number two is Flockers. Number three, Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic. The cryptocurrency market has been seeing notable shifts with Terra Classic LUNC, reflecting some of this movement. Recently, well-known crypto analysts shared an optimistic view on LUNC, backing this outlook with a chart that shows signs of potential upward trend. According to the data, the analyst suggests LUNC could experience substantial price increase, sparking speculation about its potential to reach higher levels during the during the current bull market. As of the latest updates, Luna is valued at 0.00008966, marking a 3% increase over the past week. So that's a little chart they have, and that's on Coin Market Cap, which we're going to go to in a second. But we go down the list. Number four, Tia, and number five is Stellar. So Terra Luna Classic out of the top five, number three to invest in. Number three right now, and it's going to be hot. Like I told people, Terra Luna Classic is going to be one of the crypto projects that's going to be a comeback project in crypto history. It's going to be one of the projects that's going to shock a lot of people. That's going to silence the fudders. That's going to reward the patient. That's going to reward us. That's been patient. That has been patient throughout this whole ordeal. I mean, like myself, I got into Terra Luna Classic um, right before the collapse. When I actually got into it right before the collapse, then it collapsed. Then I got into it and been holding Lunic ever since. And I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm anxious because I know it's coming. I know the penny is coming. I know we're gonna get a dollar. I know we're gonna go beyond it. But that's all starting with the burns. And shout out to Binance again and the community for doing these burns, getting the supply low, and getting us closer to our dreams. And those dreams one day will turn into reality. But another article I wanted to talk about, Terra Luna Classic Lunic price prediction. Analyst says $1 and $5 targets are in sight as Binance burns 1.414 billion tokens. So Binance again, shout out Binance. Binance, man, if Binance wasn't around, I have to say this, if Binance wasn't supporting Terra Luna Classic, we wouldn't see the prices that we're seeing right now. We wouldn't see the growth that we're seeing right now. So Binance, thank you once again. I know I'm constantly shouting you out because you are holding this project up. You are putting Terra Luna Classic on your shoulders and carrying us to the promised land. And uh Terra Luna Classic has garnered attention amid market volatility, with popular traders like Candle Call predicting a significant price surge, potentially reaching $1 and $5. Binance also Binance also continues its strong support for LUNC ecosystem, having burned over 64 billion tokens since September. Man, that's huge. 64 billion tokens by September. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy for all these burns. But the burns will get us closer to what we need to be at. And let's get into the price action of Terra Luna Classic. The whole market right now is correcting. It's not really moving at all. Um, Terra Luna Classic's 24-hour trading volume is almost down over almost 45%. We're down less than a half percent down on the market cap, which is close to a $500 million market cap, almost a half a billion dollar market cap. And I hear a lot of people talking in the comments saying it's dead. Terra Luna class is not going to get to where it's going to get to. And like I said before in previous videos, people said that about Shiba Inu. People said that SHIB would never amount to anything, it will never do anything. And I remember buying, just a quick backstory. I remember buying Shiba Inu before all of these tier ones, and it was just red, 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 just like Terra Luna Classic is right now. It was just red. Nothing was moving. I was still buying. I was still hoping and believing because I knew that project was going to be something. And then that October came. October 2021 is when Shiba Inu just shot to the moon. $50 billion market cap. Yep, $50 billion market cap. And the same thing can happen for Terra Luna Classic. Same thing can happen once we get all of the legal issues in our rear view, which is the pretty much the last is this bankruptcy. And once we get all of that out of our way, we can start building and making this project better. I think CZ is going to be very instrumental as far as probably giving ideas to make this ecosystem even better, and are probably offering some huge utility that's going to help the growth of Terra Luna Classic. But as we can see, the supply has definitely been decreased a lot. We're looking at a 50 or 5.7 trillion circulating supply, which is a 57 billion dollar market cap plus to hit a penny's price. And I think once the burns are keep on going and we keep getting this supply down, we'll get closer to um, the 1 cent. We'll get closer to the dollar. But speaking of dollar, the repeg is still in play. The repeg is still, to me, one of the most bullish catalyst that's going to send Terra Luna Classic to the moon. I think this is going to be the one that's going to just create a lot of FOMO. A lot of FOMO is going to go, and they're going to start buying up Terra Luna Classic. And I think this repeg to the dollar is what's going to take it there. Besides the support, the support from Coinbase and crypto.com, re-adding it to its website. I still think this is the most bullish out of them all. I think the repeg to the dollar is definitely going to be what's going to take us to the next level. We're sitting at a 50 or 5.8 billion circulating supply of USTC. So we get to a $5.8 billion market cap to get the repeg to the dollar. It seems like it's not that far away because I've seen projects just hit a $5 billion market cap in months. Like I've seen like Pepe do it. Pepe hit a $5 billion market cap in months. Like it had dropped down and it went back up and just shot up to a $5 billion market cap, which was crazy. It seemed like that's not a lot of money that's needed to make this repeg happen. But we get some bigger investors. I think once all the legal stuff is done and then they finally trim the fat of the Terraform Labs, I think we're gonna get these huge investors coming into this project, and we're gonna see a repeg happen sooner than later. I know people like myself have been talking about the repeg all like for like maybe a year or two, probably 2 years. But it's eventually going to happen. And we see that people are bullish. People are bullish on Terra USTC. They're bullish on it. 90% people are bullish on Terra USTC to get it repegged to the dollar. And same thing, people are bullish on Terra Luna Classic. 90% bullish, 10% bearish. And those 10% are going to be crying when they see all of us go to the moon because Terra Luna Classic is headed to the moon. But looking Terra Luna Classic is starting to make a little pump as I'm about to come to the end of this video. We're starting to move a little bit. But this is all I have for this video, folks. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button down below. Smash the like button. Also, smash the subscribe button. Become a subscriber if you haven't done that already. Hit that notification bell so you can get alert when I post more videos like this one. Leave a comment down below. Let's get this video on the YouTube algorithm so people will know about Terra Luna Classic and know the opportunity that they have before them with this project, financial freedom. Do you want to stop answering to a boss? Do you want to stop going to a 9 to 5? Terra Luna Classic might be your opportunities. Do not miss out on it. Look into this project. Just that's all I tell you to do. Look into it. You don't have to invest in it. Look into it. All I know is that I'm heavily invested in this project and definitely think it's going to be the one that's going to be financial freedom for not just myself, for a lot of people. But yeah, man, none of this information is financial advice. Do your own research. This is your boy Crypto Flex, the extra crypto. Stay bullish, baby. Peace.